Everything is fine. I don't actually remember when the last time I had a tetanus shot was. Body massage. Body massage. Do the creep. Do the creep. Ah. Ew. Ugh. Tetanus. Ew. Tetanus is a thing. We can avoid tetanus. I really don't like tetanus. Everything's fine. Yummy. Ew. Do the sick. Okay. Where? Oh, it's a crow. Sick. Old cottage charm. Nope, don't want to look in the fridge. Fridges are gross. I don't like it. There might be tetanus in there. Fuck. I'll get to the fridge. That's not where that goes. It doesn't go in there. Why? Why would you do this? Who does this? All right, fine. Gross. Oof. Friend, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No. Ugh. Tetanus. So much tetanus. Hey! At least there's internet, you know? I don't like it. I don't like it. Ugh. Don't eat me. I don't like it. I'm an adult. Oh god. Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay. Boop. Oh, you guys. Natalia. Oh my god. Now we have smell-o-vision, you guys. Natalia farted.
Right, let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, it's off. Oh god. Gas chamber. Oh no, it did it myself.
3 years.
Ugh.
Oh,
Ugh.
shit. Glad I had my shots. Andre, what do you think? Andre? You first.
You know what? You are a subpar anchorman and no one respects you.
What do you see? What is it?
Your mom. Hate you. Hey, buddy. Hey, friends. How are you, buddy? Whatever. Hey, buddy. Oh, no. No. Everything is awesome.
Damn it.
Let me tell you about my best friend. This is fucking horrifying, and I don't know why I decided to do this. Oh god. Okay. Woo! Okay. I don't like any of this. I don't like it. I don't like it. What just happened? Oh, that's gross. This is lovely. To be honest, it kind of just looks like some kinky basement stuff. No. Hey, baby. Are you having a spa day? I told you there was some kinky stuff going on in this basement.
There. It's there.
Oh god, there's words. Why?
Oh, I gotta get out of here.
Oh Jesus, I'm a disembodied arm. Why?
Here.
That looks lovely. Oh, this seems fun. This seems fine. I can't walk away with it. Okay. Nope, I don't like it. I don't like it. Huh. I don't like it. I don't like it. Huh. Ooh. I like it. Ugh. Can I get in the bathroom? Is my flashlight gonna fail me? Oh, that's lovely. Nope, don't like it. Don't like it. Well, that went well. Slicing the pie. Back to the wall. I would literally rather be covered in spiders right now. Okay, yeah. That's good. We're good. Get away from me. Damn flies. Listen, it's just you and me. We gotta get out of here. Take my 6. We're gonna make it. Let's see. Does this work? Oh no, I'm sorry. I have great trigger discipline, but apparently I don't have a certificate for axes, now that I think about it. Go!